Yebo, ingane zawethu impela sibona lapha ngumsunguli nomholi we-Martian March uJacinta Zinhle Mangube Sezuma. Ngingathi bebambeke interview nenye yama-journalist angaphandle. Kanti ingane zawethu impela Mangube ushaye impela ikhanda impela umzimba wasixegela wayothi bho phansi nochaza abantu abaningi phana ezinkundleni zokuxhumana ngendlela kaphindile ngawo kumbuzo wayo lintatheli. Bafike ngaphandle basikhuluma kakhulu ngicela manqala nginibingelele. Kuyona ngimbuso sir MTV sithi nje uma usaqala ngene channel ake wenza kulungile. Uciphize subscribe na notification bell uzithola zonke izindaba eshisayo nazo ezitrendayo. Hayi ke wengane zawethu impela sibona lapha ngumholi we-Martian March uJacinta Zinhle Mangube Sezuma. Ngingathi bekwe interview nenye yentatheli ezangaphandle. Kanti wengane zawethu impela lentatheli bese buza phana umholi we-Martian March uthi ngabe uthini ngoba phela nawo amaciko walana eMzansi ekhanselelo ama-bookings wawo emazweni wangaphandle. Kanti ubese bala igama lika Mafikizolo wathi buka uMafikizolo ukhanselelo bookings ebenayo phana ezweni la Zimbabwe. Ephendula uma ngobese uthi cha yabona thina asichaphazeleki njenganabahlali base South Africa ngoba enawo amaciko ebengayona ingxenye ye-Martian March kahle kahle ebengekazi nje akhulume nasemaphejini wabo ethi cha impela bachime nayo e-Martian March bethi nabo abakhambe bebe badefenda bona abantu abasuka emazweni wangaphandle ngoba bezama ukuthi bagcina phela ama-bookings wabo ehamba ngendlela emazweni wangaphandle khona lana eAfrika. Uthi yazini kahle kahle mina ngibona ukuthi engazi ukuthi wona lamazwe akhansela ama-bookings wamaciko wala eSouth Africa azigwaza ngowawo umkhonto lawo mazwe ngoba phela okusho ukuthi njengoba bebengaphefumuli emaphejini wabo sebezoqala manje bazoba ingxenye sibe sonke sisho ngazwelinye sithi abahambe. Hayi wengane zethu impela usho njalo phana uMangube waphinde wathi yabona mangabani na futhi nizincishela kubumnandi khululekani thina ubumnandi siyazenzela ngisho ubumnandi singabuthola noba kweyiphi indawo la kule planet yakwa Earth. Hayi wengane zethu impela ngaphandle basikhuluma kakhulu yona imbuso MTV asinethulele yona le nkulumo kaMangube esha impela ikhanda xega umzimba uzwela.
But now let's talk about South African artists now feeling the heat. Most of them have gotten their shows cancelled. I'm sure you've seen in Zimbabwe have cancelled all the shows from Mafikizolo, Musa Keys, and other South African artists are equally feeling the heat. Any comments on that?
But how is that helping their countries to improve? Entertainment is just entertainment. It's you getting entertained by an artist. South Africa loses nothing because you cancelled Mafikizolo. What do we lose? We don't lose anything.
South Africans, and they're losing money, right?
Listen to what I'm saying when I say that South African artists have been on their side. That's the funniest part. South African artists have been supporting them and keeping quiet about the issues that we face as South Africans. So them cancelling South African artists is them shooting themselves in the foot, basically, because those are the same people that have decided that they're not going to say anything about our plight as South Africa and choose your side because they've been protecting their bookings and whatnot. And you went and you sabotaged those very same people that have been on your side. As South Africans, we don't need our artists to say anything. If we need to fight, we're going to fight. So if you deprive yourself of entertainment because you're angry at South Africans, it's you that's not getting that entertainment. It's not us. Tina, we'll get entertainment from anywhere in the world that we want. It's not going to stop us. It's not like nothing. Like every artist is still going to want to come to South Africa. They still win. We're still going to pay for our tickets to go watch them. We're still going to treat them well when they come to our country. Because we're dealing with illegal immigrants. We're not dealing with people coming into our country, spending their money and whatever. That's not our problem, really. I don't think that's a smart thing to do because at the end of the day, like those chasing people out in Mozambique, it's their economy that we're contributing to. We're not there illegally. We're there partly spend our money, go back home. So how is that hurting you? Why would you chase people out who are investing in your country? Because we are chasing out people who are not investing in our country, who are just there living, being illegal, taking things and not paying taxes, etc. I don't think it's the smart thing to do. But if they think it's going to work for them, good luck.